Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Safari cannot install a profile due to an unknown error. So guys, if you are facing a problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all what we need to do is just simply close the Safari app, and after that guys simply open settings. From here guys scroll it down, and from here guys simply tap on apps, and after that guys simply scroll it down and here locate for the Safari. So guys, here it is. So simply tap on it, and after that guys close this, scroll down, and from here guys simply tap on clear history and website data. Tap on all history, tap on close all tab, and tap clear history, and after that guys scroll it down and here tap on advanced, and from here guys simply tap on website data. Scroll down and here tap on remove all data and simply tap on remove data, and after that guys close this page, and after that you have to just simply restart your device for one time. So guys, after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the videos help you then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.